Hey everybody, so let's talk about how to fix Fiverr registration error. So one of the common error is a registration or join failure. If the system prevents you from creating a new account altogether, it is usually a technical glitch or a footprint issue. You can just simply clear your cache and cookies, disable your VPN, and switch devices or networks. You can also use entirely new information. If you previously had an account, Fiverr will block you from registering again with the same email address, phone number, or IP. Everything must be a brand new. Now, the next issue can be a verification code not received. Fiverr requires an automated email and phone number checked during or immediately after the registration process. Check your spam, junk, and promotion folders. If using a custom domain email, try switching to a mainstream provider like Gmail. If the text code does not arrive, change your verification method to verify by call. Make sure that your phone number is entered with the correct international country code and without the leading zero. Now, the next might be a username or a display name rejection. Usernames must be completely unique, cannot be changed later, and can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Your display name must align with your real identity and contain only English letters and spaces. No numbers or special characters are permitted. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in my next one.